Tony Howley. You've probably seen a few of me coursing films over the years, what I've done. I first went coursing on the flatlands of Pillin and Knott End round Southport when I was about 14-year-old, and I first went to Lincoln coursing with Jeff Ogden and that's Oggy and Jim Ford about 25 years ago, so I've seen a lot of good coursing dogs in my time, and Turk was second to none of all these dogs that I've seen. So I'll put all the single-handed runs that I have filmed of Turk over the years onto this film now, and to get one decent run I probably have to film about 20, so you can see she's got a lot of hours in a time. You'll see some top class single-handed running on this tape, and you'll see that why she was virtually unbeatable at match running while I had it. I've also got to state that sometimes I go out very early in the season because the farmers have got a lot of hours on, and they want some thinning out a bit. So before they put the birds down, they let us come on. So there is a few. We don't usually go out while end of September, beginning of October, but there is a few that's early on, and that's the reason why. So I hope you enjoy this film, and you'll see why these pups that I am selling are going to be top class dogs when they get older. Okay.
Keep it away from that kale. It's trying to get in, it's keeping it off. Go on, bitch. Whoa. It's in. Swine. She's the first run of the new season, and she's there with it. Good dog. That's how we want to finish off as well, girl. Come on, fetch it back. Good dog. Second run, it's going straight for that kale again. I don't think it's going to get on that. Oh, it's in.
Got it!
It's got that one and all, look. Straight into kale.
Didn't hit the kale, sorry, that.
Did it not? Must have hit that before it got to kale, you know. On the oh shit, it's fell over. Got it. It's got it there. This is Turk on second run. Run a bit bad on that first, and I think it's because it's not fit. Let's hope it runs a bit better on this anyway. It's running wide. Come on, girl. Oh. Sad. Ooh. Ooh. It's got it that time. Well done. Good dog. Well done. That's Turk. Second run. I'm going to go and have a look now. This is third run with Turk. It's getting to edge straight away though. We can get it away again. Might not be too bad. Knows what it wants to do. Knows where it wants to go, you know. I'll tell you that, it's dangerous for it there. Too dangerous for it. It's caught that one and all. Well done, dog. Well done. 200 yard slip that. I don't even know whether it's going to get on it, but got a bit thin on the ground. It's not going to get to that. No chance. Straight in that rough stuff. But it's just got to it. Believe it. If it can get it out of there now. Oh, it's got it. It's got it there. That's real, that. Who does wins. Good dog. That's Turk. First run. Turk. Jesus Christ. That was short and sweet. I'm going to give it a bit of a start as well. That's this bloody rain for you, that. There it is, look. Oh, I just got it catching it. It's got it there, look. That's a friggin' rain for you, that. It's all steamed up and everything. Waste of time. It's there with it. Good dog. That's two it's had now. That's Turk and the little puppy. Come on, girl. Got it there. Good dog. Well done. Pitch again. It's had three already up to now. Oh, it's here. It's still on it.
Oh, lovely catch. Lovely.
It's got it. That's...
Say that, I'm sorry. That's banking, doesn't it?
It's got that one.
Not getting it much.
Hold on. Oh, it's got it there. That's six. Oh, Jesus.
Oh. 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3. Tony?
I've chased two and caught one up tonight.
Good race that, yeah. Good race.
Yeah.
Sound right. Yeah. Are you enjoying your day, John?
Very good.
Sound. Catch you later.
Just about this year.
It's when the marrow start disintegrates. Best part about it, he's killed 5, he missed his first one and killed his next 5. Unbelievable. That dog is something else. I've had 2 runs. Sorry, 3 now, killed 2. John's had 3, killed 3. Having a fantastic day, but I think that bitch of Tony could go and kill another 2, yeah? Had a good run, that, T?
Yeah, but a long run though, Jim.
For a long run, yeah.
Long run, I think it's tired now.
Well, I don't know, I mean...
I could give it probably an half
yeah.
hour's rest.
It must have carried it back half a mile, that hurt, Tony.
I know, it carried it back from miles away.
Yeah.
Tell you what, missed first and then killed next.
I've just said that, yeah, I've just said that now.
Takes some doing that.
Fantastic. Anyhow, we've got to Mrs. Morris. Enjoy your day, John.
Very nice, thank you.
Right.
15.
15. We've had a good day then, haven't we?
3 adult dogs and 1 pup,
1 pup, all single-handed.
all single.
Good lad.
But except the one with the pup. Fair lads. 2 pups, 1 12-4, 1 7-4.
That's fair enough, there they all are. And there's Jim. What do you reckon, Jim?
Well, I'm very, very pleased today. Excellent day. I think John's enjoyed himself.
Definitely have.
I mean, John, yeah?
Yeah.
And I think that bitch of yours today has run out of its skin, John.
Yeah.
So for a dog to kill 8 like that, it's
8 out of 10
Oh, little
hares.
8 out of 10. First missed it first one, killed 8, and then missed his last. 8 out of 10. I don't think it's ever been done. It might have been done. Trophies is at 7, but 8 out of 10 is very, very good. Finally, there again, that bitch of mine's. I'm going to face that bitch of mine in. She's had 4.
John's only.
Independent witness.
John's had 2 out of 3, and it's run well as John's dog this today.
Talked enough shit now. That's the proofs in the pudding there. We'll see you again.
Between them bales. Oh, I can't see it for the bloody bales. I don't. No, it's not. Where is it? Oh, it's there with it. Here she comes, look. Couldn't see nothing for bales. She's had 3 out of 3 up to now. This is its 4th run. Ride on it. Coming right back to me. Go on, lass. It's die copping now. It's in a bit of bother when they start die copping, you know. It's frightening way it runs sometimes, that bitch. It's a good run, this though. It's a good hare, that. Definitely. Ooh. It's got it going now. It's got it. Oh, it's let go of it again. It's got it again though. Oh, I'm not going to say anything anyway. It's there to be seen, isn't it, lads? You know. That's 4 out of 4. First run, turk. Went a bit wide there. Where's it gone? Well, it's getting back on it now. It's gone down the dike. Oh, it's coming down here. It's a goodish hare. Oh, it's got it. Oh, it's let go of it again. That's the first time it's done that. This is my first run against Bobby Price in the runoff. Could cost it dearly, that. I'm telling you. Come on, bitch. It's going to cost it dearly, that too. Had her steaming now, it knows. This is a 16 dog stake.
Kill that, Tony.
It's had it once, hasn't it?
Yeah, you get it again.
It's a good run now.